Hey everybody, I have a haul video for you. I have been doing a little bit of shopping, so I figured I'd show you guys what I've been getting. I have been getting a lot of card making supplies, mainly because the past few years I've been doing more mixed media, scrapbooking. I was on the Prima design team and doing live with Prima and all that sort of thing. So a lot of the items that I have are geared towards like altering things and mixed media, things like that. So I don't have a lot of the more cutesy style card making supplies. So I definitely am kind of playing catch up, I guess. And yeah, so I'm learning about a lot of new companies and new stamps, and it's hard not to get it all. There's so much cute stuff, but I definitely have to slow down because I am definitely running out of space to put it, definitely for sure. So I have, I think, 4 different online stores. The first one is from Studio Katia, and I purchased the stamps when I saw her release from her store online. She is located in Canada, and considering it came from Canada, I think from the day that I purchased to the day that I got it, it was about 10 or 12 days, so it wasn't too bad. So but you can purchase this company from Hudson, and I will have all of everything that I'm showing in the description box below. So let me see. I mainly went for this one, to be honest, and the Mandala stencil. And then of course I saw the florals and I could not resist. So let me just go through them. This one, I tried to make a shaker card. I haven't made a shaker card before and it was an epic fail. But this one is Confetti Kindness, and it's really cute. Throw kindness around like confetti. And then this one is Spring Bouquet. Sorry for the glare. Let's see if I turn it down just a little bit. It's a little bright. Maybe that'll help a little bit. So I like these, and I like that it has a little tiny Happy Mother's Day sentiment and then a many thanks. These are really pretty. And then I got this one. This one is Japanese Peony. Says you're the best, sending happy thoughts. You can put those together. Sending thanks. With sympathy, you inspire me, my prayers. So this one's really, really gorgeous. I cannot wait to color that one. And then this one is Blooming Bunch, which is another gorgeous cluster of flowers. Birthday wishes, you're so wonderful, hello there. I like when there is like the scripty font and then just like the regular type font. Really, really pretty. All right, and then the Mandala stencil. I love this. I should have got 2 because I feel like I'm gonna rip these little intricate designs here. Yeah, it's just Mandala stencil. And they sent this as a little freebie, which was really nice. All these sequins in here. And then they also sent, which I didn't know, that I think the day that I purchased, you got a free Easter die. It's pretty small, but it's really nice to get free things. And oh, this is just a coupon for 10% off my next order. So yes, Studio Katia, really pretty. She has lots more stamps and dies and stencils, but that's just what I got. And then the next one is from the Frantic Stamper, I believe, and I use this on my unicorn card. And I was wanting to use this when I was trying to design the card. I was trying to use this cloud stencil, and this is Cloud from MFT. And it was the only place that I found this stencil at, the Frantic Stamper. And then this one is from Avery L. It's hand-drawn florals. Really, really pretty. I like the florals and then the scripty sentiments. And then this one, I think this was only a few dollars, and I liked it because more for like my mixed media type projects. And let's see, Amazon, pretty simple. Got some Shabby Chic Treasures. I love these butterflies, and then the dragonflies, another Versamark. And then I got this really cool Marvy jewel picker, and it is really great. I've been using the Quick Stick, and but I've been seeing a lot of card makers use these for the sequins, so I thought I'd give it a try, just because sometimes the Quick Stick does leave a little bit of that gummy stuff on there, on the like sequins and stuff. So I thought I'd give this a try, and I really, really like it. And I got these because I was going to try to attempt to make a shaker card. And these are embossable window sheets. And like I said, I got these on Amazon. And then I was going to use this on the unicorn card. That's why it's all cut apart, and I used it. But I ended up changing the design for the unicorn card. And this is Wonky Stitches. I really, really liked the Wonky Stitch, and I think it's MFT maybe, or Lawn Fawn. I think they have like a full set of rectangles, probably with like 4 or 5, and they want like $30, and I couldn't see myself spending that much, and I think this was like 15 bucks. So really good. I feel like I would probably only use a cup, you know, 2 sizes anyway, so I got that. All right, so the next store is Ellen Hutson, and I love Ellen Hutson. They have so many companies that I just recently came across, like this one. I believe her name is Gerda Steiner Designs, or the company is Gerda Steiner Designs, and their stamps are so cute. And I was actually browsing their website, and they have digital stamps if you're into, you know, buying digital stamps. But I had to get these 2 stamp sets. This one is all cats, and I really love this cat here. And it says stay positive, happy birthday, just a little card to say happy birthday or thank you. So really cute set. And then I got this one. This one's Go Wild. I really love the elephant. It's just so cute. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna focus. There we go. Really, really cute. And then I got the Altenew permanent black ink. I do have the alcohol markers, and which is why I wanted to purchase this black ink, because I'm going to try and attempt to color with them. I have all 3 sets, and I've tried, you know, a little bit here and there to color with them. I'm horrible at it, so I really want to try to get a little bit better at that. And I, for some reason, thought I needed 3 purple Nuvo drops. I mean, they're all different. So one's crystal, one's jewel drops, and well, 2 are crystals. They're like a little bit shiny. And then the jewel drops, I think they're a little, yeah, they're translucent. And then I got this blue one. So let me tell you the colors. This one's navy blue. And then this one is, where's the color on this one? Pale periwinkle. This one is wisteria purple. And this one is violet galaxy. So all 3 of these purples are different. I'm not exactly sure why I felt I needed 3 purples. Probably because I'm kind of getting obsessed with purple at the moment with my crafting stuff. And then I got this is Deep Blue Seas, Altenew cubes. I really like their cubes. And it has Starlight, Tide Blue, Turquoise, and Sea Breeze. Then I picked up this from MFT, well, from Hudson, but it's my favorite things. And it's the Homespun Stitch Lines. And I got it mainly for this wonky looking one. So, and it wasn't, I don't think it was really that expensive. I think it was like maybe $7 or something like that. And then I got the Mama Elephant Rainbow High die, and mainly so that I can use it with the unicorn stamp set. I thought the rainbow would be really cute, and then the little clouds to die cut out. And I think Abby will really like playing with this too. And I don't buy many dies because I do have a Cameo, and for a lot of things I just feel it's better if I just cut them out. And like the stamp sets that I buy, I can fussy cut them. I, you know, save a few, well, not a few, some of this die set, or yes, the die sets are pretty expensive, like twice as much as a stamp set, so I don't mind fussy cutting out some images. And then I picked up, because I liked the Studio Katia, these ones that they had sent me so much, I picked up the like the clear iridescent ones, Shimmering Ice Fusion, I think, just to give my cards just a little bit of something. And then I picked up this, it is from Lilac Lane, and it's Shells and Sand, which is the color. So it has like really beachy colors in there, and then it has like beads and tiny little sequins. I really like this, these little containers. You can see the beads down there, maybe, if it'll focus. All right, next, I can't remember who used this in a video recently. I think it was on Ellen Hudson's YouTube channel, and she used this, and she used her heat tool and puffed it up, and it looked really cool, so I got that. And then this was my splurge, the Catherine Puller Designs die. This is the, what is this one? Stained glass cover plate die. It is, I cannot wait to use this. I think it was Catherine Puller. She had cut kind of like this circle part out and used it, and just put a little butterfly or something, and I just had to have it. And it was, I think this one was $30, so it's pretty pricey. And then I thought, while I was, you know, making a purchase, I would find out what all of the hype was about the Neenah cardstock. I normally just buy the Georgia Pacific cardstock at Walmart, which I don't have any problem with. I like it. I feel it's sturdy enough for cards. Then I got this cardstock. This is super smooth, very, very nice, heavy cardstock. And now I know what the hype is about. So I'm like, what is so special about this Neenah Solar White cardstock that everybody's using? Well, this is 110 pound, by the way. So yeah, 25 pack, 110 pound, Solar White. Yeah, so now I'm one of the cool kids that use the Neenah Solar White cardstock. But yes, it is very nice, very thick, and I think it would be really nice to use maybe with if you're doing a little bit of coloring with the zig markers, maybe. I'm not exactly, I don't know yet, but we'll try it out. But yes, so that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite thing was that I purchased, if you have any of these items, or what is on your wish list. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.